An example, Byron, last week of his strength in the WWE Performance Center gym.
Bobby Lashley reminded the world that he is a true world-class athlete. I mean, Lashley not only capable of incredible feats inside the gym, but inside the ring as well. And I think that's a big reason why he said to Lana, look, let me do this.
Overhead, belly to belly.
And first rule of grappling, boys, get those underhooks.
Oh, takes Desjardins off of his feet.
Not a slap in here tonight.
I thought about the sign of sportsmanship, but decided against it. Oh, man. Sending Desjardins into the top turnbuckle. Joe, you've been in the ring with Bobby Lashley. What is it like to experience his power?
You know, they call me Almighty for a reason. It's because when Bobby Lashley wants something, he goes out there and he takes it. And right now, he's doing exactly that in the ring. He's taking this guy to the woodshed.
The ability shown by Desjardins.
Oh, and mistakes were made tonight.
That's quite the receipt.
Bobby Lashley showing off his athletic ability and a shot right to the midsection and just hammers the back of Denzel Desjardins.
Tanks aren't meant to leapfrog, gentlemen.
Oh, and look at the just driving him into the canvas.
Enter angry Bobby Lashley.
And now Lashley again, so much force behind this. And now look at Bobby Lashley.
Lashley poised and ready to strike again.
And the strike is hits home every time.
Off the spear, Bobby Lashley without Lana at ringside is victorious.
Here's your winner.
Well, you can't deny he wasn't focused.
Almighty Bobby Lashley.